Hi, today we're going to make chocolate chip cookies that everybody loves. I've got a little helper today. So Lily, you just need to put that in the microwave, soften 250 grams for 30 seconds. The butter's soft now, so we need to put on half a cup of sugar, and we're going to put in 4 tablespoons of condensed milk, and then we're going to cream that so it's nice and fluffy. So we've creamed the butter and sugar, and now we're going to put on 3 cups of flour and 2 teaspoons of baking powder, a couple of drops of vanilla. This is my homemade vanilla. All you do is get a bottle of vodka, and you get in a couple of vanilla pods, and you put them in the bottle and you leave it in a dark place for about 2 months, and then you've got beautiful pure vanilla essence. And we're going to put in half a cup of chocolate chips, and we're just going to bring that all together. Right, that's our biscuit mix. It's all come together nicely. I didn't have chocolate chips, I had buttons, so that's what I've used, but if you use chocolate chips, that's fine. And we're going to just weigh them into 50 gram lots so all our biscuits are consistent. And then we just roll them into balls, and we're going to put them on a greased tray and flatten them with a fork. Just got them on the tray like that. Just going to squish them down with a fork. And then we're going to pop them into a preheated oven, 150 I'll put the timer on for 15 minutes, but they may take a little bit longer. You want them nice and golden and crispy, not soft. So that's our first tray ready to go. This is our second tray. And these bickies are great because if you don't want to eat them all when they're baked, they just go in the freezer fine in a little glad bag, and you can whip them out as you need them for the kids' lunches and things. So we've got a preheated oven, and we'll just pop them in for 15 minutes to start with. These are our bickies. They've just come out the oven. They've been in there for 15 minutes at 150. These are chocolate chippy cookies, good to go. I hope you enjoy making them.